Hi, welcome to this week's video. I'm James.
And I'm Sophie. And this is our dog Rolo.
Come join us as we explore the UK in our van Toby.
We love paddleboarding, hiking and all things van life.
If you're new around here, like and subscribe.
We hope you enjoy this video.
So this week we are in the North Pennines, which is an area we've not really explored much. Last night we came to another park up in the dark yet again and walk up to this. We are just off the A66 near Mickleton, and we've about a 20-minute drive this morning to our walk for today.
Today's walk starts at the Bowleys Visitor Centre car park.
There was no set price for parking here, however a donation is required to help with the upkeep.
Dreams take me higher into the blue unknown. Feel the fire burning, heart made of stone. Ride with the wild wind.
Hi!
So today we are doing the High Force Teesdale Circular route, about 12 kilometres, taking in some nice waterfalls and good views.
We've got an extra guest with us today, so we've got Molly because we're dog sitting. So yeah, come along with us.
I was doing a pub.
Oh, this feels really rocky.
This is High Force Waterfall. Really cool spot over there for a picnic.
A wonderful place to be a walker.
So that cool bridge that you've just seen us walk over is called Winch Bridge, and it's actually a grade 2 listed bridge. Which is really cool, isn't it?
Yeah, that was High Force. So we are currently walking along the River Tees. It's really peaceful. So it was really busy near High Force, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But we've not come across anyone yet, and it's Sunday. I thought, oh my god, it's going to be so busy. So yeah, it's nice and peaceful.
Heading up to High Force now, aren't we?
Yeah. Don't know if the camera's picking up, but like it is beautiful, like the colours of the tree. There's orange, yellows, green. It's really pretty. It's a really good time of year to come.
Nearly at High Force now. We can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it.
So yeah, we're gonna head that way and see what there is. Hi Molly. Go.
So this is High Force. It plunges 21 metres.
It looks pretty epic there. We've got it to ourselves. So that was High Force. We had the place, like the viewing point to ourselves for a few moments, but then it did get busy. But it was really impressive, really pretty. Yeah.
So now we are walking still along the River Tees, heading to High Force. I think we sort of go off our trail a little bit to have a look, and then we carry on walking along the river.
We're about nearly just under 4 kilometres in. So
We have made a fatal mistake today though. I do not think there is a pub at the end of the walk.
Oh.
So
I'm sure we can drive to a little pub.
it'll happen. So behind us is High Force. You can take a detour off the walk and walk up to it, which we're going to do now.
So we're just peeling away from the river. I've just spotted an incline, which I'm thrilled about.
And then we're just going to be looping back around really on our scent, aren't we, making our way back.
Yep, we're at 5 kilometres, just over 5 kilometres.
So we're not quite halfway around yet, but seen all the waterfalls now, I think.
Yeah, it's a really lovely walk. There's some epic views with some stunning waterfalls.
So we have pulled away from the river now and we're just looping back on ourselves. So we've just stopped for our dinner at the side of this stream. We are now walking all the way up there. See ya! So,
We made it to the top.
we did.
Oh.
There's not a great deal of climbing in this walk, is there? There's a couple of like short, steep bits.
Yeah, I would say that's short and not that sharp.
Yeah, it's probably a good walk if you're either a beginner or just getting back into walking.
It's my brush away, but I'm alright now, I've got to the top.
Yeah, but that first bit's pretty flat.
Yeah, oh definitely.
There's plenty of views to take in while you're resting. Sophie certainly did on the way up.
I did. So, like, what are you playing at? We've got really soggy feet. Like, walking across there, like, yeah. So be really careful.
Yeah, so there's stepping stones, but none of them are really complete. So you're either making big jumps or, and it is slippery.
Yeah, it's really slippy.
If you are going to do this walk, especially at this time of year, there is some really muddy and boggy parts.
Oh, you don't look that muddy.
No, I'm wet though.
That's...
You definitely want proper boots, proper hiking boots.
Yeah. It's like assessing which way's best to go. My way.
So we come across out the bogginess And we're onto a gravel track now. And of course we finish the day with a pint. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.